Here we go. You ready? You ready? Ready? Push. Oh! Push, Jordan, push. Push. Oh. We almost lost the kid.
Watch out, Noah. Move.
What, man? Turn around. Yes. 35. Good job. You help Dad pick up? Pick up. Good job, buddy. What a big helper. Oh, there's a...
Good job, Jordan. Yeah.
That's why it's going to fall apart on you.
He's doing it. Jordan's doing it.
Oh, man, I smashed the shit out of my finger.
Yay, Jordan.
Yay!